It's a really interesting set of courses to study because education pulls together from many different disciplines such as psychology, philosophy, sociology. So you have all these different theoretical backgrounds that you can apply to practice.
It opens up opportunities for promotion, and it opens up opportunities to really demonstrate their ability to engage in critical thinking and analysis, which is of huge value across multiple sectors of the public sector.
Throughout the course, we have been introduced to lots of new theories, and within the teaching sessions there have been lots of opportunities to reflect on these and also critically engage with these discussions with our fellow students and staff. And being able to practically implement this in my workplace has been a really valuable part of the course.
And there's that real sense of shared experience. Many of our students are already working in a variety of sectors, and it's that shared learning and knowledge that they bring to the sessions.
The students who we teach are from all over the world and from all different disciplines. We actually have students from lots of different sectors, such as healthcare, the police service, the voluntary service and private sector.
I was really glad that I chose to do the Leadership Management course, and it's given me the competence and confidence to lead and manage a department in any learning organisation and have the ability to take it from strength to strength.
An education master's degree is a really good way of learning about some of the broader issues of education. Sometimes we take it for granted what education actually means, and when we have a look at the theory behind it, we find that it opens all of these doors. Quite often people who go through an education master's say that it's a transformational experience because, especially drawing from lots of different disciplines, it gives you all this range of perspectives that perhaps you never considered before.